Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to my last recap of the day. It is still June 19th, and this is my last trade of the week. On REV, I ended up longing this one because it was SSR triggered, so I had the conviction and it had volume, pre-market, and there was news about possible bankruptcy, buyout. So you got catalyst, the volume, SSR's triggered. So all the long criteria was there for me to want to long this one. So this was for Friday, June, was it 17? Yeah. So this one kind of worked out perfectly, according to my pre-market watch list that I posted on my Discord here. If you guys want to join, I'll post the link in the description below so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So Rev, my plan was watch for a support break under 317. So the reason why I say 317 was because you had a low here. So I was like, I want to see that break and then retest into 3. So basically watch 3 support break for a reclaim back over 330 to 330 to 330 to 365, and then 4. If 265 breaks, then GTFO. Basically stop out or just do not long it anymore at that point, because that was your big support level here, which kind of crazy because it was like 5 cents away from almost hitting it, or about 10 cents away. So basically right out the open, I started scaling into that support break, and then here I was just like, all right, if it breaks here, I'll just stop out there with 10% of my size. But if it holds and starts to reclaim, I started adding more before it broke back over 3, because then from 3 to 330 that gives you 10%. So at that point you'd be up 10% if you're buying at 3, and then if it goes to 360, that's 20%. So you had that range to sell into highs and be able to get 10 to 20% move on this setup here. So basically worked out perfectly. I started selling into that previous support zone, which would have probably become the resistance, and then into that pre-market high, 340 to 365. So I kind of sold a good amount into there, held some in case we broke over that 365, sold some more there into the 375 385 zone, and then I had more into the 395 to 4s. But as soon as that failed, I just kind of took the rest off at the 370s, and then basically just called it a day there. So this was a good SSR day 1 squeeze, long setup. So this one was pretty much perfectly as planned. I would say this is probably the best trade for me all week. Everything else was just not ideal, but yeah, this SSR long on Rev, it was just a nice, it was just perfect. I don't know how else to really explain it. So the reason why I was trying to long off of this 3 to 330s was because pre-market you had this trend line was holding right here. So I was thinking maybe we break, but then we'll reclaim. So 30-minute, and then you had the hour trend right there, right here at the 280s. So it kind of broke a little bit, but that's like the perfect dip buying area right there at the 285s. So basically once that held, that was like deep conviction that it was gonna squeeze over pre-market high and then get that squeeze higher that we did here later on in the day. But at this point I was already all out, so there was no reason for me to be in it anymore. So yeah, it was a nice SSR squeeze play, especially after this big drop 3 days ago. But yeah, that was a good long setup SSR off of that 30-minute 1 hour trend. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. If you guys have any questions, comment down below. Hit me up with my Discord channel. I'll post a link in the description in case you guys want to join that. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.